Today we'll be discussing a critical aspect of effective communication, identifying your target audience and tailoring your message to meet their needs. No matter what kind of content you produce, whether it's a sales pitch, a social media post, or a video like this one, understanding your audience is essential. Knowing who they are, what they're looking for, and what motivates them will allow you to speak directly to them, resonating with them, and ultimately driving engagement. When crafting your message, it's important to consider factors such as age, gender, income level, location, and interests. Your message should take into account different language and communication styles that are appropriate for your target audience. There are countless tools such as Google Analytics and social media insights that can help you better understand who's interested in what you have to offer. So before creating content, take the time to thoroughly research your target audience